Hello, everybody. Let me get my big face out there. There we go. Jeff Casmer here to do a video today on the Swipecoin review. How to make money trading Bitcoin with the Swipecoin app through IM Mastery Academy. Now, I did a video on this a long time ago, but obviously there's been updates to the app. So I thought it was important that we do a refresher. Let me give a little bit of background on me. I've been making money online for 22 years, and I've been a Forex trader for the past 4 years. The team that I'm a part of conducts trades and teaches a strategy that's very unique where we trade with the banks, not against the banks like most Forex traders do. Why 96-97% of the traders actually lose money. We trade with the banks, and we kind of follow them like a caboose. I'm sure if you followed me before, I always do that little motion. So if you're interested, you can certainly follow me at Jeff Casmer. And on this specific video, I also have a group in Facebook, Swipe Trade, Swipe Coin. Just put that in the Google box or the Facebook box, and you'll be able to find it. So needless to say, those are the particulars. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you got any comments, good, bad, and different, please post in the group. If you're interested in joining our team, we have a 7-day free trial where you can sit on our shoulder, and because we give out 5 webinars weekly to our members. So this is in addition to what iMarkets Live or iMarkets Academy gives you as far as a membership is concerned. So we have a unique training facility with a website, a Discord channel, where we teach, and we are just changing lives every day. Changing lives every day. Every day there's a story where somebody's quit their job. So it is one of the best strategies. In fact, I'd say it's the best Forex trading strategy there is. But if you're interested and you're not an iMarkets Live member or iMarkets Academy member, get a hold of me and I can give you a 7-day trial inside of our Facebook group. Okay? With that being said, this is the review of the Swipecoin app. Okay? This is the Swipecoin app. It is a simple app on your phone. Okay? Simple app on your phone. All right, and that gives you trade ideas. Okay, so let me do like a little quick preview here. I've got a little presentation for you. Not real long, not real fast. Let's go here. Okay, so this is the Swipecoin app. When you get a notification on your phone, you get a notification that this is a trade idea. Now, just to protect me with the company, obviously there is risk in trading. Okay, this is obviously important information, and I'm not giving out a trade idea. This is an old trade that I'm using just to give you a look as to what the app looks like. So this was a Ripple trade that was given out by one of the educators, Nick Gomez, who by the way is outstanding. And so this is the app, right? So you open up the app, you get this trade idea, you get to see what he is looking at, and then you can hit this arrow button right here, and that opens up this. Okay? So this gives you more information, like a 1-hour, 4-hour chart on what he's looking for, what he specifically is going to give the idea if it's a buy or sell, and what pair. So here's what's unique about this. This is why this app is so awesome. And there's also a Swipe Trades app that's just as good. But anyway, so this is a Ripple trade, okay? And this is the 4-hour time frame, and you are buying by market. Now, anybody who's not aware of that, that's a market execution on your Meta 4 or Meta 5, whatever you use. So you're not doing a buy limit, a sell limit. As soon as you get this idea, you want to execute, okay? Unless there's notes here at the bottom that tell you to execute once it gets into a specific zone, okay? It also gives you entry price, okay? So it always usually gives you on the Swipecoin 2 entry prices. So for example, you get an app, you get a notification on the phone, okay? And let's just say you don't open it up for 5 minutes, okay? You just miss it, you didn't hear it, you're in the bathroom, you're away from the phone, whatever may be occurring, okay? That's okay, as long as the price is within that range of, and here it's 92.94, 92 cents, 94 cents, right? Sometimes it could be an hour later, and you could still get into the trade, okay, as long as it doesn't hit stop loss, somewhere between 92 and 94. Now, If the trade is already taken off by the time you have looked at the app, usually they'll give you notes, hey, don't enter in 50 pips from the entry price, etc. They'll give you notes exactly what to do, okay? This is the bottom of the screen, okay? So you just use the phone and scroll up, okay? So that's the entry price. If there's any particular notes, there's a hyperlink for notes. And here's your stop loss, 90 cents. And then they usually give you a couple take profits, 96, $1. There's actually usually a take profit 3 here. I probably got it cut off a little bit, okay? And this is all the information, including potential notes, okay? And then what you do is you take this information. Let me go back here. And you don't have to necessarily punch in the number on your Meta4. Okay, see this button right here is a clip or copy. Just hit this button, it'll copy your entry price, right? So especially if it's like, you know, like on swipe trades, there's an entry price of 5 digits, like 94642, boom. Here you could just punch in 94 or 93 or whatever the case may be, especially if you missed the trade, okay? But if it's market execution, you don't need this. You don't need to copy it. As long as you're in between that range, you get in that trade, okay? But if it's a buy limit, sell limit, like on swipe trades, and most high percentage of swipe coin ideas will be market execution, okay? If they don't want you to market execute right away, then they'll have a note saying, hey, execute when it hits this point, somewhere in this point. So rarely in swipe coin will you actually see a trade idea that's a buy limit or a sell limit, okay? The other app that they have, swipe trades, that definitely will have buy limits and sell limits all day, okay? So that's the next screen. Okay, so you've seen those screens. You enter in the trade, you're off and running. I can't stress enough about stop loss, okay? I cannot stress enough about putting in stop loss, okay? So let me share some wisdom here, lady, okay? When I first started with the Swipecoin app, and I was kind of an experienced trader at that point, I forgot to put in a stop loss. And then the market tanked. And I lost more money than I should have lost because I didn't have a stop loss, right? Lots of people will tell you, hey, if you're an experienced trader, you can have a mental stop loss. But with crypto, it's pretty important that you have a stop loss. Now, you can still have a mental stop loss, but you don't know when that market, now the market could surge the other way and you benefit, obviously. But sometimes that market will just dump, right? Cryptos will dump. You want to make sure you have a stop loss. Now, if the trade is just kind of moving in the wrong direction and you want to move that stop loss, take it off, maybe lower it a little bit more because, you know, the analysis is headed in the right direction, then you can adjust. But never enter any crypto trade without a stop loss, ever. I have made that mistake. I guarantee you if you traded crypto before, you've made that mistake, okay? So don't make that mistake. Make sure you have a stop loss in there. Now, this will be probably part 2 of my video. So on the side of the app, you can open up the app. As you can see, here's the trade idea, okay? Another trade idea. Here are some categories of stuff that the app contains. The app just does not contain a trade idea, boom, boom, boom. Okay, they have the trade ideas. They also do exchanges. Okay, exchanges. In fact, this one right here, you can't really see it, is an exchange. Okay? Then they have the scalper chat. The scalper chat is tied into a scalper software tied in with IM Mastery that will give you, and I have done this, I've shown this on another video, scalping opportunities with crypto. Okay? Then there's an exchange chat. Then there's Picasso's Brain. Picasso is strictly our Bitcoin trader. He usually is the one who puts out all the Bitcoin trades. All the other Ether and Ripple, all that, is usually Nick Gomez. There's Crypto Talks. There's results. There's videos. There's a search button. There's even a couple games on here, believe it or not. I just found this out because I had never looked at this. Like, what is To the Moon? And it's some crypto game. Okay, so if you're really bored, okay, or watching a trade, and you need a moment away, there you go. And then there's notification settings, which I'm definitely going to show you on the next video, because that's how you can set it up to get alerts. You can get them through your email or through your phone. There's an FAQ, very important. I'm going to show that as well. And then, of course, log out. But you never want to log out, right? Why do you never want to log out? Trivia question. Why do you want to not log out? Well, if you log out, you're not going to get the notifications, right? So you don't log out, right? You would still get the notifications by email if you set it up, but sometimes, then you're too late, okay? So that, in a nutshell, is the Swipecoin review. Just some of the basics. Couple things. One, you should have at least a 4-digit account, at least $1,000, okay, in your account. If you got $1,000 in your account and you got 4 other trades going, you should not be trading crypto, even if you got a stop loss, okay? So it's very, very recommended that you have a decent size account and base your percentage of what you're going to risk, which to me, no more than 2% on any trade. You need to make sure that you understand the financials if you have other trades going at the time that you take that crypto trade. All perfect if you're in the profit, it doesn't matter. But if you're in drawdown, then you want to be careful. You don't want to over leverage, okay? The second thing is, we never recommend you brand new trading crypto. If you want to learn to trade the Forex, do Forex first. Okay, that could be through Swipe Trades app. That can be through our trading that we do for our particular strategy called the box strategy or the banker strategy, which, by the way, it's just crushing. And then you can move up to crypto. Okay, it's very challenging, and there's a lot to know about trading crypto outside of just an app. If you have no experience or very little trading. So we always recommend learning the Forex pairs and first trading those, and then move to crypto. And of course, make sure you have a big enough account. Okay? So that is part 1 of my Swipecoin review. Hopefully you got some value out of it. If you got some value, give me a thumbs up. Didn't get any value, give me a thumbs down. Give me some comments. Please hit the bell button. You want to be notified on the next video? Please subscribe. We love our subscribers. If you need to reach me, if you are interested in learning about our 7-day trial into our team group where we teach you our specific Forex strategy, which, by the way, whoop, I almost forgot, works on crypto. It also works on Forex pairs. Then get a hold of me through Jeff Casmer on Facebook. Add me as a friend, and I will get you inside our next 7-day free trial. Our free trials start on Mondays. If you're ready to join us, boom, get in right away. Those are the best people because they're just decisive. They don't sit around waiting, and etc. Then reach me. I'll give you a link. We'll get you right in. Okay? Remember, there's a Facebook group for Swipe Trades and Swipecoin. You do not have to. You can be a customer of another team. Doesn't matter. Or you're interested in potentially getting those apps. Then just Google that. Second time I've done that. Hit the search button in Facebook and do a search for Swipe Trades, Swipecoin. Do Swipe Trades /Swipecoin, and my group will come up. It's fairly brand new. And that's pretty much it for today's video. So part 2 coming up. Please be good to everyone around you. You never know when it's their last day. Take care, everybody. Bye.